Hi all, welcome to my channel We Do Excel. Today we will talk about the keyboard shortcuts. So in Excel, to have a hang of keyboard shortcuts and to get very fast in your work, we should really know and should be very quick with the keyboard shortcut. I will be sharing 8 keyboard shortcuts. 4 will be simple with control and shift and other 4 will be the combo keyboard shortcut. So you can see these are the combo techniques and these are the simple with control and shift. If you practice this and get a hang of this, you are really going to do your work very fast and obviously impress your colleagues. So this is the data. So let's see how this works. First we will talk about control plus direction key. So I want to jump in data. So the first data you will see it's in A1 and the last is on A29. So when I press control and down arrow key, it jumped to the last data. For example, if I delete this data, let's say, and I'm here and command down arrow key, it will jump to the last data without any gaps. Okay. What will happen if I'm here and I press command up arrow key? It has come here on the first on C1. For example, if I have a gap here and I'm here on C10 and I press control up arrow key, it comes at C7. So for going to a data just down or up or right or left also, you can see control left arrow key, control right arrow key. So to jump from one data to another, this shortcut is handy. Now the same thing we will replace control with shift. Shift is used for selecting. Press shift and down arrow key. It is selecting the data. Right arrow key, up arrow key, left arrow key. When you press shift, it starts selecting the data one by one. Come to control space. Control space. It will select the column. And when you do the same thing with shift, it will select the row. So you can do anywhere like this. You can use this shortcut for selecting any particular row or any particular column. So this was the 4. I will sum up this. For jumping to any cell, you will use control. For selecting the data, you will use shift. For selecting the column, you will use control space, and for selecting this row, you will use shift space. Since I had selected the whole column, that's why it selected the whole rows. Okay, now we'll come to the combination keys. Now we will combine the control and shift and space and use this combination to select different types of data. So first one is control shift direction key. Here I press control shift direction key. You can see anywhere I want to select. So in anywhere you can select data like this. You have to just press control shift and use the arrow keys required. Now the second is how many columns you want to select. So for say I am here and I will press control and space. Obviously, as we know, the column has been selected. Now what I'll do, I will take my hand off and then press shift key and use my left and right key. So it will be selecting the other columns also. So what I have done, I have just selected the column, required column using control and space, and then I took my hands off and pressed shift and used my arrow keys, right? Same you can do with shift space. It will select your row, shift space, take your hands off and then use shift and select the rows up and down. Okay, now the best and the bumper combination key is control shift space. It will select your whole data. So control shift space. See, the whole data is selected. Now for example, I don't have any data here. So how it will work? Control shift space, then also it selected your whole data. Why? It is recognizing that you have data till F29, so it selected the whole data. So I think these shortcut keys will be very helpful to you. Take the screenshot of this and this, or you can take the screenshot of this and this and do practice in your daily work, and you will get in a hang for just in 1 or 2
Show your
days.
love, like it, share it, and subscribe it. Take care and thank you.